Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Dio rose-inspired design. Start off by painting all of your nails light blue. When the polish is dry, use a tan polish to fill in the bottom third of your index, middle, and ring fingernails. Next, apply some white polish to the corner of a makeup sponge and dab it onto your nail to make clouds. To make the bicycle, first use yellow to make the front wheel, and then use silver to add a dot in the middle. Use mint to make the frame of the bike. Add the back wheel with yellow, and then use silver to make a headlight, the handlebars, the seat, and the pedal. Finish up the handles and seat with orange. Make the spokes using white and then add some shadows with dark gray. Add the pedal with black and then use brown to make a shadow under the bike. Sealing your design with a top coat. Using white polish and a makeup sponge, add some clouds to the sky. Use a medium green to make the stem of a sprout and then add some leaves. Add highlights and shadows with lighter and darker greens. Use brown to make a shadow beside the sprout and add some pebbles with beige. Make some sparkles around the sprout with white. Sealing your design with a top coat. Use a dark green to make the stem of the rose and then make some long leaves and grass around it. Use a medium green to add some more leaves. Carefully add some clouds to the sky with white polish on a makeup sponge. Make the bottom set of rose petals with pink, and then add some shadows with a darker pink. Make the top of the rose with red, and then add some detail with a darker red. Add some darker shadows with black. Use white to add some sparkles and dots around the rose. Sealing your design with a top coat. Apply liquid latex around your nail. Once the latex is dry, use a makeup sponge to dab some white polish onto the nail like clouds. Remove the latex and then use a dark blue polish to write D-O on the nail. Sealing your design with a top coat. Repeat the same process as with the last nail, apply liquid latex, and then make some clouds. When the clouds are dry, use white polish to make clouds that spell out rose in the center of the nail. Since these letters are supposed to look like clouds, kind of bounce the brush along to give the edges of the letters a kind of puffy look. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done. All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!